is, if you go here, task manager.
Task manager, yes, sir.
If you go performance, so you can see the two codes, 1 and 2. Okay.
Yes.
So here each core is nothing but one processor. Logically, if you're talking about the virtual.
Okay.
Okay. So virtual, so here one operating system for the in this core one of means in this processor you can install one operating system, one operating. So two operating system you can install.
Okay.
So two means 2 into 3. For example, how much? Two. This is two core, right? 2 into 2, how much? 4.
Yes.
Right? So four operating system you can run in this processor like
Okay. So like in VirtualBox, already I have the two operating systems on VirtualBox, and I have one basic operating system, Windows 10. So if I install Windows Server, like it will work, sir.
yes, it will work, but it's going very slow. Performance is very slow.
Performance will be very slow.
Yes. So at a time you can use only two operating systems, server and client, because three operating systems are running at a time. This is your guest operating system,
Yes.
okay, host operating system, and two guest operating systems. So that is the reason three operating systems is running on at a time.
Okay.
So if you are assigned 1 GB or if your server is client and as a practice server you configure, so 2 GB you have to give for server and 1 GB for client operating system. Okay. So if you have 4 GB of RAM,
Yes.
so this 1 GB is enough because this operating system you are using only for to access that virtual box, right?
Yes.
So it's enough, right? Minimum. But if you are using more than two systems, so that time performance is going to be very low.
Excuse me, sir.
Okay. Yes.
Sir, voice is not clear, sir.
Voice is not clear.
Yeah, sir.
What happened? Because Usman said it is very clear.
No, no,
Um,
no, sir.
in the
Actually, like there is a bit disturbance in the voice.
yes.
Okay.
No, no, sir. Still not.
Ah. Yes, I will check.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam, Umer bhai. Khairat.
Yes, Alhamdulillah. Anybody has tried installing Windows Server, this operating system in your PC?
No, I don't have PC.
Hmm?
I don't have PC.
You don't have PC.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. I was asking the same. Thank you.
Now it's okay. Hello. Hello, guys.
यस सर
Sir,
सर सही नहीं आ रही आवाज
Still.
yeah,
यस
sir. still.
कल अच्छी थी.
Hello guys. Now it's okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Now it's best, sir.
Mashallah, sir. Clear,
Oh,
sir.
okay, right. Thank you. Okay, shall we start? So yesterday, previous class, we discussed about the ports and modes, one or two modes about the routers, right? So we discussed about this interfaces, right? Okay. Remember, guys?
Yes, sir.
And yes, we discuss about the modes and router, and we are seeing how the continue from there. Yes. So already you know. So just I open. Now what I'm going to show, two things. See here, guys. Don't concentrate on what command I'm typing, right? Don't think about the what command I'm typing. I will show you. I will give the everyone. Already I share the commands, all commands. So don't bother about the commands. Okay, everything. So I will give. What I'm going to say, what I'm going to explain, try to understand that one. Okay. So here already you have seen, this is the flash 2 fast Ethernet port, NVRAM, this is the capacity, this is the RAM, everything. So yesterday we have seen, if I press S, so that time router will ask according to his configuration, according to, right? According to it, whatever it's asking, so we need to provide. So that That is the reason I don't know the whole router configuration. So that's the reason I can't give proper or complete configuration of the router, because my designation is different. Okay, my configuration is different. So in this situation, according to my designation, according to my configuration, so I want to do and I want to configure inside the router. So press S. So this is called to exit default setup mode, to exit setup mode. Okay, router setup mode. So I'm exiting, canceling the router setup mode, because I'm going to configure the whole router. So I'm not going to configure the whole router. So that is the reason I want to skip this complete router configuration. So I want to do the manual configuration according to my designation, according to my responsibility. So that is the reason I'm typing no, N or no, or shortcut N. Okay. So when I enter, so router will provide me one mode. This is called user mode. Clear? With the help of user mode, what you can do? Why we call the user mode? So because this mode anyone can have this mode. So anyone means only senior guys, junior guys, or training purpose. Those people are come for training, so they can also use this mode. So we call the mode. See here in MCSC, I'm talking for understanding purpose. MCSC have the different services, right? So you want to configure the IP, you want to manage the IP addressing, so you have to install the DHCP server. You want to configure the website zones, so you need to go to the DNS, right? You want to create the users, so you have to go Active Directory users in computers, right? You want to apply the policy, so you have to go to the group policy manager. So different services, different providing, utilizing service purpose, right? So we have different types of services. Here also you want to configure different types of network, different types of interface, right? So different configuration you want to see. Okay, so what is the configuration? So this for different purpose, here we have the different modes. So different service, here we call modes of the router, right? Modes. So different modes, different purpose. Okay, in this mode what you need to configure, okay, what you are going to able to configure, these are the things. So this is called user mode. With the help of user mode, what you can do? So just wait, I think I have so user mode. User mode, which purpose? To see the initial configuration, few configuration, for understanding, you can understand few configuration of the router you can see. And this router, with the help of this router, you can enter the privilege mode. Privilege also means administrative mode. Administrative mode you can enter. Okay. Right, guys? Sadan Sheikh, Muhammad Riaz, okay, Muhammad Amjad Usman. 1, 2, 3, 4, only 5 guys. Amjad is present. Yes, Amjad is present. Riaz is Sheikh Hussein. Faraz is not, right?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Tahir is absent. Okay. Clear. So now you understand. So user mode to see the few configuration of the router, and with the help of user mode you can enter the administrative mode or privilege mode. Okay, got the point. So now till now how many modes you can understand, or how many modes you know? One is Raman mode, right? Previous we have seen, I told you. So how I can enter, I will show you. Just off and on. When is on, control pause break press button. Control and plus pause break in on your keyboard. Is available or not in your keyboards? Your keyboards have that but key or not? Pause break.
Yes, sir, available. So there will be 6 buttons, sir. Up, down, or delete.
Yes,
There
yes, yes. So with the help of control, with the control key, you can press at a time. Control, hold the control key and press the pause break. So when you press, when he is checking the NVRAM, because this hash is nothing but he's going to check. First he's checking the operating system, right? Remember,
Yes, sir.
boot process is happen. After the boot is checking the flash have the operating system, and then is going to check NVRAM. So NVRAM, because this is the new router, NVRAM doesn't have any configuration, so that is the reason he give the this message, continue to the configuration dialog box or not, right? Clear? Now during the NVRAM reading, the router reading the NVRAM, so if I press control pause break, so router will provide you Raman mode, but router by default is lost the operating system message kar. Oh. if router lost the iOS, so that time by default you get this Raman mode, no need to press control pause break, understand? By default you get this mode.
If iOS is lost at that time.
Yes. So mini iOS, from with the help of mini iOS, router will provide you this mode, Raman mode. Clear? For example, your PC is lost the operating system, it will restart, right? It will restart and is coming and stopping in moving, the windows moving, right? So it's moving till 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, till whole day is moving, right? So with the help of you can that moving and stopping and restarting again, so you can identify, okay, this operating system is this system lost the operating system, so again you are going to reinstall the operating system, right? But router doesn't have any monitors, so, okay, so it will provide the mode. So this is the mode. So when you get this mode, so you can identify the loss. So that time what you need to do, with the help of this mode, you can contact to the your FTP server and copy the file, okay, and store in your router in flash. Okay, so how to see, we will see inshallah. We have the command, so that's simple command. So once you understand the mode, so that time you can easily understand the commands. Okay, so this is the Raman mode. Clear? So Raman mode, and then next user mode. So user mode you get like that, right? And like this, right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
So what is reading? He's reading NVRAM, right? So what the message it will give, because this is the new router, so what the message it will give? Would you like to configuration, yes or no? So what I need to type?
We need to type no, sir. Here.
No.
Why? Because
Okay,
it's
see
written
here.
this.
Now see here, I'm going to do the some configuration. Enable config team. Okay, so now I'm going to restart. See here what I did. So I enter I host name. I assign the host name. Previous is router name. Now I'm giving the name Hyderabad, right? So some configuration I did and save. WR means write shortcut, the command WR. Otherwise I need to type the what copy running configuration to startup configuration. So this command, big command I need to type. I will show you. So I need to type that big command. So instead of this big command, so I will write only short command WR. So right. So that time I'm saving. So build configuration, building the configuration where in NVRAM. So now this time NVRAM. So I told you don't bother, don't think about the command. I will show you. Okay. So what I'm going to explain, focus on that one, right? So simple. I configure some configuration and I'm saving in NVRAM. So it's going to be saved in NVRAM. Now I'm going to restart. Now see what happened. Now it's checking the NVRAM. Usman, tell me fast. Is there any configuration is there in NVRAM?
Yes, sir. The configuration is there. Just now we have given this WR.
Yes. See here. The message is different. Just one time I pressing the enter. Now see here what happened.
Now from router mode it has come in Hyderabad. Like it was in user mode. Now since we have given the host name as HYD. Yes. Now
but I doesn't get that message. Would you like to initial configuration? Yes or no, right?
Yes, sir. Why? Because we have built the configuration just now.
No, understand, Mr. Amjad, or those are Mr. Riaz.
Yes, sir. Understand.
समझ में आ गई बात? ठीक है?
What the point? समझ में आ गया.
Clear? So because is there any config? Because router it will see here. So with the help of you can easily understand and troubleshoot is happen. So where is the problem? Whatever happened, you can easily understand, right? So first is both. So it's reading first is starting and checking itself, and after that is going to check the operating system, and operating system is okay. So it will provide the it's going to check the NVRAM. So NVRAM NVRAM have any configuration. So that time it will provide you directly user mode. If there is no any NVRAM configuration, so that time it will provide you that message. For example, if I type erase startup configuration, that is the command. So that command is erase the all startup configuration, right? So that time if I restart the router, so again I will get the same message. Would you like to initial configuration, yes or no, right? So when you see that message, so easily you can identify this router or switch is lost is NVRAM configuration. Okay, so that is the reason when you do the job anywhere, so daily you have to take the backup of NVRAM. Okay, NVRAM you should, because if anytime you lost, because all configuration and whatever the configuration you don't know. Okay, so that is the reason you have, if you copy, if you have the copy of the NVRAM, immediately you can save and copy in the router and you can run immediately, you can solve the problem. Otherwise whole configuration you want to do, so that time is very difficult, is impossible work. Okay, got the point? Clear? Now what am I doing here, whatever configuration I'm going to do here, so this is come under the RAM, read only memory. Clear? Got the point? So whatever if I've done, so this is temporarily because it's not saving, but I want to save when I pressing Control Z or WR, so that time is going to be saved in NVRAM. Okay, clear? Till here, understand guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now this is my user mode. Clear? Now come now, but I told you this mode is only for checking purpose, means whatever configure, only few configuration, not whole configuration. Why? Because if you are able to see the whole configuration, anyone can see the whole configuration router, right? And that is not good for the company, not good for the network, right? If anybody can see the router configuration, so he might be do anything, right? He can change and just only he see the configuration and went and he's making a some file and copy, and again he's come back and fix, and whatever he done and what he's make a change configuration he router and override that file. So that time the previous configuration is gone, new configuration is inject and save. So that time what will happen is affected to your network. Maybe your network is goes down. Clear? For security purpose, all the Cisco is giving this mode, so you can see the only few configuration necessary things, necessary configuration you can able to see. Clear, guys? Right?
Sir, to configure, we need to give command, sir.
Yes, command. Without command you can't do. Okay.
Yeah.
And what the command I will show you. Don't worry about. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So just understand the user mode. With the help of user mode, what can you able to do? Okay, which purpose user mode? Okay, understand? So few configuration you can do, or you can see. Okay, but whole configuration you want to do, you want to see from where you want, from which mode you want to see. Okay, and from which mode you want to show you to your senior. Okay. So that purpose, one more mode, you need to enter the one mode. So that mode is called administrative mode or privilege mode. Which mode?
Administrative mode or privilege mode?
Have two names. How it be? Router. But how you can able to enter? How can you can enter? Here one command you have to type enable or shortcut en. When you type this command, so you are enter this mode. This is administrative mode. Why we call administrative mode? See here. Enable. Because already I told you router is an intelligent device. If you type the shortcut, so it can make a sense, right? Understand? Suppose
Yes.
if I type exit now, if I type n, so that time it gives the error. Why? Ambitious command. See here. Why? If I see a question mark, so what available here? Here there is two command starting with the E letter, right? So that time
Enable or
router will get the confused. So you're asking the command, means you want to type the command enable or exist, which one you want to use. So that
enable.
is the reason is confused. So in this case, if I type en, so router will make a sense, oh, you want to type enable. So that is the reason is enter directly. Okay. If you type enable completely, so for example, if you typing enable, so it's take the long time complete spelling, right? So here this is an intelligent device, so that is a en tab. You can press the tab, so when you tab it will take the all command. If you type ex tab, so it will take the all command. Okay, so en tab, so it will take. So otherwise en is enough, or enable also. So now you are entered that. So this mode is in this. For example, I will show you question mark. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 things is available. For understanding purpose, I'm showing you. Okay. Clear? How many things?
14.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now, when I enter in privilege mode, now give the question mark. So, see here. From here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 20, and more. And more. Here. Right? So is more than that mode or not? Is more than user mode or not?
Yes, sir. More than user mode. In
Right?
user mode, there is
Means
14, and
yes.
here more than 20, sir.
So here many things. So you can see what you can
Sir,
configure. Okay.
one question. What we are counting in their word?
Which word?
Sir,
This one. This one. This is 1, 2, 3. For understanding purpose, I'm showing you because
okay.
I want to show you difference between user mode and privilege mode. That is the reason I'm counting. I'm showing.
Okay.
Okay. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Difference, because I want to show the difference. Okay. So user mode, only we can see the few configuration, but here all configuration of the router, right? Got the point? Clear?
Okay. Sir, in administrator mode, sir.
Yes, I'm telling you. I'm coming. So administrative mode or privilege mode. Privilege means is have the more privilege as than user mode. So that is the reason we call privilege mode. Okay. Administrative mode, why we call? Because it will provide me configuration mode, global configuration mode. So it will provide me, it's providing me global configuration mode. Global configuration mode. Global configuration mode, with the help of this mode, you can configure the complete router. Means whatever you want to configure inside the router, the whole configuration of the router you can configure in this mode. When you enter this mode, so you can configure, you can delete, you can modify whatever you want, you can do. Same like that administrator user, right? So if you log in the server with administrator user, so whatever you want, you can do it, right? Understand? Same like that, here is the mode, global configuration mode. So with the help of this mode, you can do the all configuration, right? If anybody get this mode, so he can play with the your router. Means you lost your job immediately if you are giving this mode. Okay. And anybody hacker got this mode, so that time you lost your complete information about the router, you lost your network maybe. Got the point? Understand? So how it, so I need to enter the global mode. So who will provide? So this administrative mode is provided. So that is because he's providing me global configuration mode. So that is the reason we call this mode to as a administrative mode. Clear, Amjad?
Yes, sir.
Administrative mode. Why we call administrative? Because it's provide the global configuration. What is the global configuration? Complete whole router configuration we can do from this from that mode. So that is the reason we call this mode, because this mode is providing that mode. So that is the reason we call to this administrative mode. So how we can enter? So we can enter config T, because I'm typing config, so means he's not providing. Why? With the help of so there is two command, so one connect one. So router will get the confused. Okay, so which command he's want? So if I type config, so configure and terminal. So this is the command. Otherwise, you can config T. Also, you can enter shortcut. So this command, this mode is a global configuration mode. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, shall I need to write type. Okay, here enable, and then This is a configuration mode. From here, whatever you want, you can do it. Okay. Complete configuration you can do. This is called global configuration mode. Clear, guys?
Okay, sir. Sir, this will be having a separate app, sir, for every router.
Cisco packet tracer means app means application you're asking.
Yes, sir, application.
Yes, Cisco packet tracer.
No, not about packet tracer, sir. I'm asking in companies.
In
They will be
configuration.
yes, sir. For configuration, they will be having some applications or no, sir? In this
No.
company.
No, simulation means I'm not getting exactly what you want us. This configuration, or you are asking the some other things?
No, sir,
Like-
he is asking for in organization what way they give us to configure. What they give us to configure in organization. He is asking. Right now we are.
You are not going to configure in the real time. You are not going to configure anything. First thing, 1 year, if you are fresher, so you are not going to do configuration anything, right? So
Yeah.
just you need to check only configuration.
Okay, just
Yeah.
senior have the.
You are, yes. Because this is the network, guys. This is the network. Got the point? This is the network, because everything is depend on the network. If one interface is down, your whole network goes down, right? So how they are giving to fresher or 1 year experience person? This big responsibility here in the network engineering is a very big responsibility, right? Because whole network in their hand, right? So very responsibility job and very tough job and okay, very secure job. Okay, got the point? So here you are not going to do the configuration. This already configuration is there, if you know, but the troubleshoot you have to do. Already I told you, I'm not one guy is telling I'm not accessing my server, I'm not reaching this network. Okay, my system have slowness issue, right? So these are the problem is come, so you have to do the troubleshoot in the network. Okay, but interview level and exam level, these are the things you need to do. Okay, after 1 year you want to do the configure. For example, you want to see, so how you can see what is the configuration, because you want to see the because for example Usman belong to one department, and his network already, you know, the last class previous network 10 series 10.2.0.0. This is the he belong to 10.2.0.0 network. Okay, and Mr. Tahir is belong to that 10.3.0.0, right? Got the point? So Mr. Usman is complained I can't able to access to that server. Okay, so that is the reason you are going to check either this address is available inside the router or not. So for this router, for this network, sorry, so for this network, router has created the root or not, means your configuration is there or not about this network, and this network inside the router is available or not. Got the point? So these are the things you need to know. So that is the reason you have to know about the show commands, means to checking purpose. Okay, and third command means who is your neighbor router. Okay, what is your neighbor, because you can't memorize, right, what is the neighbor IP address. So how to check the neighbor IP address, and how to check the neighbor device, which company is belong to the same company. So these are the commands you have to use in the real time. So totally is different scenario in the real time, right? Real time based on only troubleshoot. Okay, and this command, this is if new router is coming, so you need to configure this one. Otherwise you are inject the second hand router, right? So that time you want to remove the old configuration. So that time you need to, because the senior guy is not going to remove that because it's separate, right? So that time they give it to fresher, right? So hello, you connect console through the console cable, you can connect and remove this configuration, all this configuration, and see what are the configuration. So that time you can use this command. Okay, so configuration, this the configuration is available. Okay, this the network. Okay, so remove, so you can remove. Otherwise senior guys is configure and send to the to your branch office. So just you need to connect. So that time you want to check before connection what are the configuration is available. So with the help of console cable you can connect and see the configuration, what are the configuration is there. So in this scenario you can see that, and you can use this command and you can see, right? Got the point? This is the
Yes, sir.
basic command, the configuration. This is the configuration. This is, so
To configure, we need
uh,
to connect to console cable, sir.
but yes, but the problem is you want to see the network route, right? Network
Yes,
is
sir.
available now. From which mode you need to enter and check, and you need to check that this interface means अब IP address assign करते हैं ना system को यहाँ पर, तो वहाँ पर interface को assign कर दे. So that IP address assigned to this interface or not, you need to check. So where you need to go and check that IP address of the interface, right? And which protocol is, because protocol you need to configure. So which protocol is running and you need to configure, you need to modify it. If the senior guy said that, okay, Amjad, you can enter the router mode and just add that this network, for example, 10.10.10. Because I forget, or suppose because I got the call, because I need to add one more network. So because I sending the already router, so router will be reached after 1 hour. So that time, so again I can't get back the router. So please Amjad, you can log in with the console, with the help of console access, and create the one network just only. So single command, that is a simple command I will show you. So that command you need to enter. So in this scenario you need to do that. So you need to know where I should go and create the route. Okay, in this protocol, which protocol is using, right? So which protocol is using, in which protocol I need to advertise this 10.10 network, right? So if you know this one, if you know, if you are going to learn, so that time in that scenario you can able to do that one. Clear?
Sir, I have a question. As a fresher, if when we select, senior company will show us their network topologies.
Senior guys is show.
No, will they show us as a fresher? Will they show us network topology? What they are network design? What
Yes,
are the
if
network?
you show or not show, so that is the your
No.
responsibility in the network, in the training, because they are providing the training. You are training on the desk, you are sitting on the desk. So in the desk you are sitting on the desk, or in the training period you have to know, and they will explain, we have this one, this one, this one. So you have to diagram, you have to read, and you have to by heart that network. The training is because of you need to understand the company network, right? So actually that is a not training. So actually in the training session they need to know, you know, the company whole network, where how many devices available inside your branch. If you are responsible for the branch, so how many branches we have, and what is the head office, the network back, complete back network, and which is the if you have belong to the branch office, so what is the branch office, how many devices is, how many routers, and what are the IP address, what are the server, and how many our customers. Okay, what type of the service we are provide, our companies provide. This all these things they will teach in the training. Got the point? Because you need to by heart that one, right? Got the point? Till that time you are not by heart, till that time you don't know. So how you will do? Because he's calling and you said, who are you? So that time he's a customer, he's paid a lot of money. Okay, billions, trillions of money he's paying every year, and you are asking, who are you? So that time it's not good sign, it's not good signs, right? So that is in the training they will explain you. Okay, so these many customer we have, this many networks we have, this many head office here, branch office we have, this is the head office. From the operation, all operation is happen from the head office or branch office. Everything in the training, during the training period they will explain. So senior guy, other guys, is depend on the senior guy. If he's very good and will he want to share the knowledge, so each and everything is explained. But according to company policy, whatever he want to teach you, whatever he want to say you, whatever he want to explain to you, compulsory he need to explain, he need to show you. Got the point? अकॉर्डिंग टू कंपनी पॉलिसी। अगर कंपनी पॉलिसी में ये चीज बताना है तो ही विल कंपल्सरी एक्सप्लेन यू, अगर नहीं है तो आप कंप्लेन कर सकते हैं, उसके बारे में कुछ भी कर सकते हैं। लेकिन अगर कंपनी पॉलिसी के हटके है सो इट्स डिपेंड ऑन द दैट गाय। ओके, अगर वो नॉलेज शेयर करना चाह रहा तो शेयर कर सकते, लेकिन कंपनी में चलता ये चीजें होती है कि डिस्ट्रीब्यूट द नॉलेज, नॉलेज डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करने के लिए भाई आपके पास क्या चीजें आपको आती, डिस्कस करो उनसे, आपको क्या क्या चीजें आती है डिस्कस करो, राइट, गॉट द पॉइंट। डिस्कशन भी चलते रहता, वो एक अलग सी चीज है, ठीक है मिस्टर शोएब।
सर थैंक यू सो मच सर, थैंक यू सो मच, यही मेरा डाउट था।
हाँ तो कोई मसला नहीं है। देखिए भाई वहां जाएंगे बाद में कुर्सी खुद ब खुद सिखा देती, आपकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी जो कुर्सी पे बैठते ना आप, वो हैबत वो टेंशन खुद बस सिखा देती है, बस इंटर होना है बस। when you enter the company automatically you are going to learn, but you make a sure that's it but that's it, everything you are going to be learn। और कोई चीज बड़ी नहीं है और कोई चीज डिफिकल्ट नहीं है, जस्ट you need to understand, because the core basic चीज अगर understand कर लिए so everything is become easy, right, got the point। so that is the router। so here mode of the routers, okay, so enable, and now configuration mode, so this is the configuration mode, with the help of configuration mode you can do now interface mode। so interface mode you can configure the interface, already you discussed fast ethernet, right, gigabyte ethernet we discussed, right, serial interface। so we need to enter the interface and we need to assign the IP address, okay। so how we can enter the interface, so if you don't know, so here IP, with the help of IP you can use this command, okay, in the IP version 4। if you want to configure the IP version 6, so you have to use IP version 6 like that। so for example IP version 6 like that, or shortcut this much। if you are using the IP version 4, so no need to type version all this, it's just only IP means system can understand IP interface। show sorry IP में चलेगा या interface here, which interface you want, fast ethernet, gigabyte interface, serial interface। so ethernet remember ethernet AUI port और सेम RJ45 की तरह ही रहेगा, लेकिन इसकी स्पीड 10 Mbps रहेंगी। इथरनेट ओल्ड पोर्ट इथरनेट, दिस इज फास्ट इथरनेट। इथरनेट एंड फास्ट इथरनेट का डिफरेंस बताया जाता है, एक्सप्लेन करा था, व्हाट इज द डिफरेंट। सो दिस इज द 10 Mbps, दिस इज 100 Mbps। okay, so interface, what is the interface? so whatever interface you can type, fast ethernet you want to type, so fast ethernet। so here inside the router, so if you go and check, I don't know which interface, for example, I don't know the which interface I have, so do show IP interface। if you use this command, so you can see what are the interface connect to the our router। so this is the fast ethernet internet fast ethernet 2 interface, because I'm not fix the model, which model, serial model to this router, right? see here physical I'm not connected this mode, okay, clear guys? so that is the reason it's showing that 2 interface। so I need to enter the interface, so interface fast 0 by 0, when I type, so it will enter the interface mode here। so then I can type IP address, so 10.0. 0.0.1 and 255.0.0.0, this is the subnet mask, enter, got the point? so again I'm typing do show IP interface brief, if you type this command, so previous, see here it's not showing the address, IP address, right, unassigned,
Because
now
you didn't
now
no,
it's
no,
showing,
sir.
right? now is as I assign, right? It will showing the IP address, right? Because I entered the interface and assign the IP address interface, right? So this is called interface mode. With the help of interface mode, so we can configure particular interface, in which interface you are in. Okay, got the point? That is a different thing, Mr. Shoaib, because shutdown, because I'm not showing the interface configuration, I'm showing the interface mode. Okay, so when we discuss interface configuration, so that time I will show you. Okay, so because I need to show, I explain this command, why I'm using the do, what is the mean the sh, what is the ip, what is the int, and what is the brief. So if I'm not pressing the if not type the brief, so that time what will happen, if I type only ip interface, show ip interface, what happen, if I type only show ip interface brief, or if I type only show IP interface, that time we will discuss all these things. Okay, so no shutdown command, so that we will discuss. So but I want to show only interface mode. Clear? Okay guys, this is the interface mode. So how you can come first, interface, this is a user mode, enable config t, and then interface as 0 by 0. Now interface, this is the interface mode. Clear? Amjad, Shoaib.
Yes, sir. Listening, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Usman. Usman is available.
Yes, yes, sir. I'm available, sir. On that notepad, you were writing something. Yes. So we have seen three no, sir. Up to now, user mode,
Raman mode, user mode,
global,
administrative mode. So no, administrative
Okay.
mode and
Yes, sir.
global configuration mode. Total Raman mode, user mode, administrative mode, global configuration mode. Now interface mode.
Yes.
Right?
Yes, sir.
The last one is which mode, sir?
Interface mode.
Interface. Okay.
Right? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Now you understanding or just telling the clear?
No, sir. I understand this command.
No command, yaar.
Mode.
That's I'm telling. Don't
Yes.
understand to command.
Yes, sir.
Command, I'm showing the different thing, right?
Yeah.
Different modes that you are explaining.
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
Don't focus on the command, right? That's I'm telling you. Don't focus, because the mind is going this side. Okay, what the command is typing, he's not telling, not explaining. Okay, this one. So all focus and all thinking is goes there. Okay, he's typing only this command. He's not showing, not explaining. So because I'm using this command to show the different thing, right? So we are discussing and we are going to understand these modes of the router, right? Clear? And
Yes,
each
sir.
mode, what the work and which purpose mode, right? Got the point? So what are the command? That is a different thing, okay?
Yeah.
Clear? बहुत
Yes.
बड़ी दुनिया है commands की, okay? So you can't think about that much command is available.
Yes.
Clear? Got the point?
आपको कौन सी
Yes.
चीज क्या करती है वो समझा रहे सर.
हाँ बिल्कुल समझ गया तुम कल एब्सेंट रहने के बाद भी माशाल्लाह.
नहीं सर हाँ सर मैं कल.
Okay, right. Chalo, acha. Okay, right. So now I need to configure the protocol. So protocol is what is creating the routes dynamically. Same like that DHCP is dynamically assign the IP address. Same like that here, creating the route. Manually we can create the route or dynamically. Manually, each and every administrator went inside the router and manually each and every network he assigned by hand. Okay, manually he's configure each and every router, right? So a small network, if you have a small network have the 4, 5, 10 routers, so no problem, administrator can configure. He can go every router, he can enter the every router, he can configure. But if a big enterprises level network, I have 4,000 for hundreds of router, so that time is very impossible to configure manually. So that is the reason to creating the route manually. So we are using the protocols. So protocol dynamically create the routes. That is called routing protocol, creating the route dynamically. So that is so we will discuss on the when the topic is come router. Okay, so how many types of protocol, why we are using the protocol, and different why the different of protocols, what is the reason, and what is the feature every protocol have, that we will discuss, okay, later on. So in this case, I need to configure the protocols, routing protocols. So where I need to go, so that is the reason I need to enter the protocols, router mode. So router, and after that protocols name, BGP, EIGRP, OSPF, these are the routing protocols name. Okay, so here router and the name of the protocols. Protocol name dena hai. Okay, so for example, I'm giving here enter. So now see here. This is router mode. इसके लिए routing protocol configuration के लिए. For the point on Amjad, Faraz, Shoaib.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we can configure the protocols. Okay, routing protocol. So total now how many modes of the router? कौन से उस्मान बोलिए. Usman.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We have a user mode, administrative mode, this global configuration mode, and interface mode.
Normal mode, user mode, administrative mode, privilege mode. Yes, configuration mode,
and
interface mode, router mode.
Interface mode and router mode.
Now, line console. This is called line mode. Console means already we discussed console port. Remember console port?
Yes, sir. Console mode is a physical. Physically, we try to
physical access to the router.
Physically
access to a router, right? This is not accessing port, right? Not communication port.
Yes, sir. Only to go inside the
yes.
router.
Yes, only help to enter the router, right? Yes. Configure access to the router. So here, after enter the, you need to provide the password, all this thing, right? Yes, because if you configure the everything, all interface you configure, when you leave router, means you are take out the cable jack and you went out, right? Someone is come and connect to the console port and he can access, right? He can log on. Just only PuTTY software, hyper-terminal software, TerraTrump software is available, so he can enter the router, right? So that is the reason I don't want. So that is the reason I want to secure that port. So I need to enter the line interface and configure, and I can assign the password. So anyone try to log on, he will connect the cable and try to access. So that time router asking the password. Hello boss, please type the password and enter. You can access the router. Till that time you can't enter the router. Okay, clear? So this is called line mode.
Sir, we need to press this hashtag or it will come automatically, sir.
And by default,
But
automatically, we are not typing.
okay.
Because this till here, this is the console. This is the mode. Okay. So this
Yes.
is called line mode. Okay. Line mode, right? And sub interface mode is available. What is the sub interface? Mr. Shoaib. Shoaib is available.
No, sir. He left it.
He's left. Okay. Sub interface mode. Sub interface mode. Suppose this is our interface, right? RJ45, right?
Yes, sir.
RJ45 port. This is RJ45. Okay. So RJ45 port. Remember, you are seen. You are connected already.
Yes, sir.
So RJ45 sub interface, in which situation we need to configure inter VLAN routing purpose, we can configure. So same thing I will give you. For example, I will give you. This is the one house. Father built the house, right? And he have two sons. And they got the married, right? After the married, they want to stay separate. So that time father, what he did, he's make a two portion. Inside, this is one son, this is one son. But from outside, anybody can see, so they can find only one house, right? But when you enter, so people, they can find, oh, there is two portion, two houses, right? So
Yes.
physically, one physical house divide into multiple house, right?
Yes.
Same
Subdivision.
like that, physically one interface, physical interface divide into multiple logical interface. Okay, one physical interface divide into multiple logical interface. That is called sub interface. Clear? Clear, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Divided into multiple.
Yes, one physical.
Interface divided into multiple.
How can interface? So first I need to enter the interface. Which interface? Physical interface. Interface first 0 by 0 enter. No IP address. No shutdown. What I'm going to ask, first I enter the interface, right? This is the interface mode. And here I'm telling I'm not assigned any IP address, and no shutdown means this is the command to wake up the ports, So now here I'm typing interface fast 0 by 0 dot 1 here. The previous what I'm typing 0 by 0, and now
0.01.
1. Now see here what the mode.
Sub interface.
right? Sub interface mode. Clear? See here, whatever the command you are typing here, see here, everything is configuration mode. See here, config के बाद ही सब command आ रहे, right? But everywhere you can see the config, right? Config, right? Config. Everywhere is configured. So with the help of configuration mode, you can do the all configuration. Whatever configuration you want, you can do the configuration. Clear, guys? Understand? Hello, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So all these configuration modes are under this term.
Yes.
Administrators.
Global configuration only. Sir.
Yeah,
Yes.
global configuration. In administration.
Now I'm taking the laptop. This is my router. For example, because whatever configuration I done, so just I want to save. I will save. Now I will restart my router. Restart. So now I want to access this router. How can access? Physically access, because suppose this new router or whatever old router from head office sending. So I want to physical. My task is I want to access the physical. I want to access the router to physical with the help of my laptop. Okay. So here it should be console port. Otherwise you need to take the converter USB to RJ45 whatever console. So here I need to use the console port. Console cable already you have seen. One side it's 8 pin, second side is 9 pin. Okay, so here I need to connect. So where I need to connect, just select the cable here. So here these are the cables. So multiple types of cable. So click on console and here click on router. So it will show auxiliary cable, console cable. See here, both are same, right? Already I told you auxiliary port because is a telephone line, but you can use as a console because console is damaged, so you can use auxiliary port as a console port, right? So click on console and connect here where you need to RS232. This is nothing but your COM port. So technical name is RS232. So when you click here, so the cable is connected. Now inside the router, if you click on the laptop, so you can see this is the laptop physical. Are you able to see? This is the laptop. Guys,
Yes, sir.
the cable is there.
Yes.
Okay. So now go to the desktop. These are the desktop. So in the desktop, hyper terminal, I told you, right? Hyper terminal application, hyper terminal and putty the application. Remember?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Hyper terminal. Click on hyper terminal. Is like a putty, right? Remember? I show you yesterday in
Yes, sir. Yes,
my
sir.
software. I have put this up.
Yes, sir.
See, if I select the serial, so what is the speed?
9.6.
What's the idea?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Same thing here. See here, I clicked internet. So what the speed? This one,
It's 9.6.
right?
Data
Priority,
bus.
nothing. Stop bit means one by one flow control. So what is that flow control? Exon hardware or none, both you can use because we are using through the hardware. If you are using the wireless, so that time you can Exon. So here none. So this is the speed bit per second because the keyboard typing is fast, but console port is very slow. So this is the normal speed you can maintain. Otherwise you want to increase or decrease, you can increase. That is the normal speed the port and keyboard can understand. Okay, so click on OK. After the everything, click on OK. So now you are entered the router. See here, you are entered the router or not?
Yes, sir.
You are entered the router physically. Suppose if I restart the router, so here also I can restart. Now is restarting. This is the not hardware. Till now I'm restarting the hardware, right? Button switch on and off. This is the command based restart, reload. So I type and system and reload the configuration, right? Clear? So like that I can access. Now see here what happened. Oh, time is up, right? Oh, it's 3:15, right? You have the class already. Shoaib is come back, right? So I think some issue. So okay, no problem. So tomorrow I will show you means how we can physically access and how we can configure, because there is two mode, user mode and administrative mode, right? So because here by default I can enter the administrative mode by default. If I type enable command, I can enter the administrative mode, right?
Yes, sir.
Between these two mode, Cisco is providing the security. Which type of the security? Password security, right? So you want to enter the administrative mode. So when you type the enable, so router will ask the password, right? So between these two mode security available, that security is the password. So that password is called enable password. Right? So how to configure the enable password? So that is our first command. And how to configure the enable password console? So how to configure the console? That is our first lab, inshallah. Okay, and tomorrow maximum 2 to 3 lab we need to do, because lease line configuration and routing also we can discuss, inshallah, tomorrow. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Inshallah.
So tomorrow, what we need to do first?
We need to
enable password. Enable
yes,
password, right? So you want to learn, you want to see enable password. Why between these two modes, right? Security mode.
Yes.
So how to configure the right? How to configure the but virtual, because I want to access physically, but you want to remotely. For example, in this scenario, here in middle switch is there, right? And my PC is connected to the switch. So over the switch, I want to access the router. How can I access, right?
Yes, sir.
Because physical, because in the real time, because this is also real time, you can new router and but in the real time already router is running, already working, but some you want to check because you want to see the configuration, but your laptop, your system is connected to the switch, right? Over the switch, you want to see, you want to enter the router configuration checking purpose, configuration modification purpose. So remotely how you can log on, that configuration also we can do. Console, line and remote. So both access to the router. First, how to access the router and what are the configuration is required, and then lease line configuration and routing, static routing. Inshallah, discuss 3 topics. Inshallah, we'll cover. Inshallah. Clear? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Clear.
Thank you so much. Take care. Okay. Masalam. Assalamu alaikum. Any doubt? So you can exactly come 2 o'clock. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So 2 to 5, you can ask.
Yeah. Okay, sir. Definitely. Thank you, sir.
Okay.